So I want to show you how to set up Tidal Tools on Mac. It's very quick, it's very similar to the Linux installation, and it'll be up and running in no time. Works on Intel x86 Macs as well as the M1, which is fantastic. So let's dive in. So first up, I go to get.tidal.sh here in Safari. I scroll down, you can see there's a quick installer with curl. I'm actually going to grab that one. As well as an offline installer. So if you want the ARM or the x86 for your Mac, you can choose a different installer there. So I'm going to open terminal. I use command space to do my spotlight search, and I just type terminal. There it is. Okay, and so now I'm going to paste that command right into my terminal and hit enter. And downloads the latest version for my platform, installs it over the top of a previous version if I already had it. And now I can run Tidal version, and boom, I got the latest version. I'm going to run Tidal Doctor just to see if I've got all my other prerequisites installed. So here you can see I haven't logged in before, I don't have Docker installed or perhaps running, and I'm not using DNS tools or the vSphere integration. So if you want to do source code analysis, database analysis, things like that, definitely install the Docker engine on OS X or Docker Desktop, and then you can easily start that from here as well. And you'll notice you get a little whale dancing in your menu bar when that starts. So that's how you install Tidal Tools on Mac.